Hi, my name is Steve Enriquez with Marco Equipment. And in lieu of the COVID-19 and the physical distancing here at Marco Equipment, we want to just provide you guys some quick demos and little features of our walk behind scrubbers. That way you guys could see them on video, and we're not over there, going into your guys' facilities and stuff like that. But the factory cat model, they have many different classes. This is our mid-size mini HD. We have a larger size called Mag HD and a smaller size Micro HD. And some of the same features that you will get on all these different classes, we have a fill, a recovery, and you just drain. So ideally what you're doing is you're scrubbing the floor, putting water, and you're picking up with a squeegee, putting it into a recovery tank, and you're dumping that stuff into your guys' floor drains. As far as the concept goes, to fill, when you fill this unit, you have 3 entryways. You have one entryway where you could add your water and your soap. If you guys are not access to like a garden hose or any type of janitor closet, we do have the option where you can get it to a sink. You fill it into your guys' faucet, connect it, and it'll fill the tank. The third port is in the rear, and that also, if you have a garden hose, you guys could fill your tank. The factory cat is a tank-in-tank design. What does that mean to you? In between this tank, that's where your clean water, your solution water, and your soap's going to be, in between these 2 tanks. Now what you see open here is a recovery tank. This is where the dirty water is going to end. So as the vacuum recovers that water from the floor, it'll be put into this recovery tank, and then you have a black drain hose to drain it into your guys' floor drain. Let me close this up. Factory Cat offers 2 different brush styles for your guys' facility. You have a disc model where you're going to be able to have a little bit more surface scrubbing with this unit. So you guys could have interchangeable from mid-grits to pads, depending on the condition of your guys' floor. And we also offer a cylindrical model. This unit, not only can you scrub, but you could actually pick up some debris and it'll be placed into this hopper, and operator after operation, he can dump all that into the trash, I'm sorry. With this unit, we have many different models, and if you guys like to check them out, you can visit us on our website at www.marcoequipment.com, or you can call us directly at 1-800-423-6220. Thank you.